good, YouTube? It's Aquarius Leviathan. Damn it. It's Aquarius Leviathan Prophecy. And I'm back at it with another reaction video. That junk hurts. So I'm back again with my poetry. So yeah, I done. I probably done like 5 pages of it. So so last time I did 3, and I'm gonna do 2, and I'm gonna do 5 more tomorrow. Without further ado, let's get it. As you can see. So yeah, I don't think that I'm just, looking at blanks. Hold on. So I can see. But anyways, the first one is God is everything. My God is my hope. I pray like a sinner, sweating in church. That's all I got. The second one is basketball saved my life. I really love basketball. I never understood the sport, but somehow I had a connection from it at birth. I was 6'2", 210 pounds. I was blessed to call basketball life. BIL stands for basketball is life. That's all I got. Like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other.